Hi, it's Sandy, and today Julie will be showing you 5 different practical uses for nail polish remover, also known as acetone.
Hi guys, it's Julie. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the button to subscribe below and be sure to check back every week for new videos. One of my most used ways of using acetone for something other than removing nail polish is to remove pesky permanent marker stains. Whether it be on your skin or a surface, all you need is nail polish remover and a cotton ball. Acetone completely vanishes the Sharpie, making it not so permanent after all. We've all been there. You just got a new bag or a wallet, and after one day at school or work, you already have a pin stain. But don't worry, nail polish remover to the rescue. You can use a cotton ball or cotton swab for more precision. Make sure to carefully rub the stain away just until it's gone, and try not to be too forceful because some finishes can come off. It's always a good idea to sanitize your tweezers, your nail clippers, cuticle pusher, and other metal tools every once in a while. Simply wipe your tools down with an acetone-soaked cotton ball and your tools will be germ-free in a jiff. I love using big, bulky nail decor on my nails, but doing so requires nail glue, and sometimes, more often than not, I accidentally get it on my skin. Don't panic! Just hold a cotton ball saturated in nail polish remover to the glue for about 1 minute and the glue will dissolve right off. Have you ever removed a sticker just to be left with a sticky, gross residue? Well, don't fret, nail polish remover works perfectly to get rid of it. Just rub the area with the nail polish remover for a few seconds and use a wooden stick to push off residual sticker. Ta-da! Now your product is good as new. And that's it! 5 practical ways to use nail polish remover in other ways than just removing nail polish. Don't forget to click the button to subscribe below, and for more awesome tutorials like this, click the info card at the top right of your screen. You can also check out my personal channel in the description box below.